You have probably seen clips online where students are using ChatGPT to bargain with auto drivers because of the language barrier.
ಅಣ್ಣ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 100ಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಅಯ್ಯ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ 150 ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು 120 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತೆಳ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು.
And honestly, as a North Indian student at NIT Trichy, this feels way too real sometimes. बट क्या एक्चुअली NIT Trichy में लैंग्वेज बैरियर होता है? क्या नॉर्थ इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए यहाँ सर्वाइव करना डिफिकल्ट होता है? डेली लाइफ आउटसाइड कैंपस कैसी होती है? और क्या रियली तमिल आए बिना यह काम चल सकता है? सो हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है आर्यन एंड करेंटली आई एम अ थर्ड ईयर बीटेक स्टूडेंट एट NIT Trichy। और इस वीडियो में आपको एग्जैक्टली यही दिखाने वाला हूँ कि आउटसाइड कैंपस लाइफ यहाँ एक्चुअली कैसी होती है एज अ नॉर्थ इंडियन स्टूडेंट। एंड अगर आप NIT Trichy में एडमिशन लेने का प्लान कर रहे हो देन दिस वीडियो इज डेफिनेटली फॉर यू। So today I'm going out of the NIT Trichy campus for my haircut. So being a non-Tamil speaker, I'll show you how's the case. So can you survive? Is there any language barrier or other things? I'll show you in this video. So come with me. The main gate, we'll get plenty of autos over here, but auto is a bit expensive. Outside the campus, you can get the bus from over here. If you are lucky enough, you'll get bus very quickly. Otherwise, you have to stand in the heat. So I will like to give a brief of the things that are available in our college. So you have a barber shop. So as I said in the campus tour video, the barber shop guy is not that good. So he doesn't cut the hair very well. So we prefer going out. So there is one shop in the place called as Kailash Nagar. So we will get there. So as I showed, there are plenty of auto rickshaws at the college entrance, but they are a bit expensive as compared to buses. Here we have a good government bus system. So there you can get frequent buses to go outside. So currently it's afternoon, so the frequency is very less. Evening you have good frequency of buses and they'll just charge around 50 or 20 rupees to get to the place. So while coming to the communication between the bus and you, so there's nothing that much you can communicate. Mostly they will be Tamil speaking, so there is an issue, but there is also solution. So after coming to college, you'll get to know what are the places that you have to go there, as such as Kailash Nagar, Balaji Nagar, Palpanai, or the central bus stand. These are the only places that you need to know. And once you get in the bus, just say Palpanai, or from outside you just can say Kailash Nagar. If he is going, he'll just say Wangeda, Wangeda. It means come in, come in. So after going, ask him how much. He'll say 15, 10. So that much English they can also speak. So you just give 20 rupees, 50 rupees. He'll give you the change, give you the ticket. So keep it with you and ask someone, tell me when Kailash Nagar comes, and every time you are going there will be someone from NIT Trichy in the bus, so you can ask him if you are facing any kind of difficulty. He will tell, so just get down at the place. So it's very simple. Even if you don't know Tamil, it is adjustable. Yeah. And inside the campus you get plenty amount of facilities. There is a 2K market where you can get all the essentials you need, so you need not to go outside for any kind of thing. I think it has a mini D-Mart, so you'll get all the things over there. Then there is also one barber shop. Okay, the bus is there. I'll go. Kailash Nagar. So we are in the bus. The bus will drop us at Kailash Nagar. And generally all the buses on this way goes to all the places except the express buses, which just stops on the specific spots such as Thiruvarambur or the bigger spots. So we'll go to Kailash Nagar. The conductor will come and ask about the change or how much money. It's around 14 to 15 rupees I guess for Kailash Nagar, depending on which kind of bus you are going. There are different buses available. Some are private buses, some are public buses. Public buses are very cheap. Private buses is more than that, but it is very affordable. Like 20 rupees, 30 rupees to go that much is very affordable. Otherwise the rickshaw will charge you around 400, 300 rupees for the same. So we'll prefer going by bus. is Kailash Nagar, and in Kailash Nagar you have plenty of the facilities. Zudio is there, and in Balaji Nagar, which Kailash Nagar and Balaji Nagar are kind of very near to each other. In Balaji Nagar you will get other facilities such as pen, then Van Vision, other outlets also you will get. There is also iPlanet. If you have need of Apple products, you can go over there. So I'll show you. So you have Zudio over here, and this is Kailash Nagar. If you see the way down, that is Balaji Nagar, where you have other things. So mostly if you want something, you can come at these places. You will get majorly all the things. If you want anything extra, market, you can go to Chatram, which is in the 3G city. So Chatram you get almost everything. There is also Rockford nearby. There are also a lot of other shops, garment shop. If you need anything, you can go over there also. It is also very accessible and easy to go. Yeah. The barber shop is around 500 400 from here. So that's somewhere. Coming out during the afternoon design this season, generally throughout the year it is very hard. There is a lot of heat over here. In just case of the rainy season, there is a very less heat. But compared to rainy season, throughout the year, it is very hot climate over there. There is also gym over here. Yes, and see gym is there. Facilities are also there. Or we'll go to the barber shop. Generally, we prefer naturals. I'll let you know about other barber shops which are available, or which is good, or is there any language barrier. So first we'll go to naturals. So guys, I'm done with my haircut. I also cleaned some my beard. So I'll tell you about the language gap in the salon. So I came here in naturals, which is Zudio, here Kailash Nagar. So the thing is that there are some shops such as naturals and other shops are also there. They are having people who are from North India. So we can speak Hindi, so we can communicate properly. उनसे बात करके हम बता सकते हैं. But when it comes to some local shops, so we also have some local shops nearby. But the workers in that local shops don't know Hindi. So we have to communicate in Tamil. So and it's so hard to tell what you want. तो पता नहीं वो हेयर कट में कुछ दिक्कत भी कर सकते हैं. तो we prefer going to this. So that's much about this thing. And बाकी जगह भी अगर आप जाओ तो काम चल जाएगा आपका. ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत दिक्कत आ जाएगी. आप अच्छी दुकानों में अगर जाओगे, मतलब स्पेसिफिक आउटलेट्स हो गए वैसे वहाँ पे जाओगे. और लेकिन अगर नॉर्मल वेंडर के पास जाओगे तो आपको दिक्कत आ सकता है. मेजरली उनको तमिल में ही बात करना पड़ेगा. एंड इट्स हार्ड कि वो उनको इंग्लिश भी आता होगा. जनरली बहुत लोगों को इंग्लिश आता है, लेकिन जो लोकल वेंडर्स है रास्ते के साइड पे उनको नहीं आता हिंदी. So coming out from the saloon, on the way you will get one bus stops. So here bus will stop somewhere. So generally all the buses which are going in this directions will go from NIT-3G. So you can see like this is Tanjore Highway and NIT-3G is on the way. Only the express bus will not stop at the stop. Otherwise all the buses will stop. So the currently time is around 4:30. So there is less frequency around this time. But during 5 PM, 6 PM there is lot of buses available. And also there is lot of crowd also in the bus. So while coming in evening, you will get lot of buses. In afternoon, you might have to wait for some time. The same area you have Ibaco, here other Fast Track, Titan, some electrical shops also. Some electrical shops are also this way. Here you get a garment shop, Amita Seeds, very famous shop. We also have Max over here, then Trains over here. You get good amount of shops. There is also this Kurinji Metro Bazaar. It's kind of small mall. There are some games and amusement park also. Not amusement park. For children it is not exactly amusement park, but for small kids there are some games. Arcade games are there, so you can. Vintage car, barbecue, some random things on the road. And also in Balaji Nagar you have this Trinity Market, where so it's kind of a mini D-Mart outside the campus. So here you can get all the other things. And D-Mart is far away from the college. It's around, you can say 15 to 20 meters from the college. And getting to D-Mart, you have to get a bus. Go to Palpanai. From there you have to get a rickshaw. Because it is 3 or 4 kilometers from Palpanai and it's on the national highway. I guess Chennai highway. So you have to go by rickshaw. Bus will not stop. Bus will stop, but it is on the right side of the highway. So you have to go by. So you have to go by rickshaw only. And And guys, also if you want to come back to campus and you are not getting the bus, you don't have to do anything. You stay at the bus stop, say NIT, NIT, you just shout NIT, NIT. The bus is going to NIT. Someone from the bus will say Wangeda, Vada, something like that. It means come here, yeah, come inside. So no issue for that. Even if you don't know permit, you just can shout NIT, NIT. They'll say, okay, this bus is going to NIT. You can go to that bus. You'll ask for the fare. Go that fare, 8 to 10 rupees, very cheap. Government buses. Yeah, that's much. Okay guys, so I'll get the bus and go to campus. So guys, reach back to the campus. You can park your cycle just near the main gate. So you can come here. Outside the main gate, cycles are not allowed. Due to some issues, the cycles are banned getting outside. I guess some accident happened or something. Not sure about that. But from now, cycles are not allowed outside the campus. Inside the campus, it's allowed. And you can keep it at main gate. This is my cycle. It's been 3 years with this. Like the best companion of your college life. Guys, this was a very short and crisp video about going out from NIT 3G. So this is the first video where I talked in English. So majorly it is for two purposes. First, we'll get a bigger audience, and the second thing is that as I am from Maharashtra and I have studied in my mother tongue since my childhood, and I want to improve my English speaking skill. So to improve my English speaking skills, I am doing this. So I hope you don't mind about my English, and also about my Hindi. It is a bit weak, and English is also a bit weak. I have improved a lot in this last 2 years, but I want to improve more, so I am doing for that. If you have any suggestions or anything, you can just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next videos. I have other videos also planned, but due to some academic things, I'm not able to do it properly. Once I get free, I'll do all other videos. Yeah, thank you for the watching.
Tomorrow's bright and shiny days.